Hi, I'm Shannon from SmarterTravel, and today we're going to be attempting to make hand sanitizer with household items. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up and subscribe and comment below if you try it out. So the key to making your own hand sanitizer, according to the World Health Organization, is that you use a strong household alcohol. This one is 95%. They recommend something around 99 if you can find it, but anything over 90 will be good. And then the second and only other true ingredient is aloe vera gel, which is something that a lot of people might have if they get sunburned. It's just a natural product that's really just simply a moisturizer. So combining those two things will give you a good hand rub that will neutralize germs, and you can bring it on the road with you. You can make it in a big batch. It saves a lot of money. It's also very natural, so anyone with sensitive skin might appreciate it, and anyone who can't get their hands on sanitizer. Okay, so we're gonna start with the most important ingredient, which is the alcohol. And it calls for 2 parts alcohol to 1 part aloe vera gel, which is gonna water it down a little bit from the state that aloe vera gel usually is in. So 2/3 of a cup for our measurement's sake is going to be the alcohol. So this is a 1/3 cup measurement, I'm just putting 2. And then we're gonna go with 1/3 of the aloe vera gel. Another thing that the World Health Organization noted is that some people will try to use household alcohols to make this. You don't really want to do that because usually household alcohols will only be max like 70 or 80% alcohol, which is not enough. You really want to go for 90. So I'm just going to mix those two together. And the final thing that you can do that's optional, but it makes it a nice touch and a nice smell, is you can add your own essential oil if you have it. I have lavender oil, so we're making like artisanal hand sanitizer. Home recipes call for like 8 to 9 drops of it, just depending on how much you make. That was like 6. You can use pretty much any essential oil that you'd like. And that's pretty much it. We have our own homemade hand sanitizer. Leave any comments below with questions or if you tried it at home yourself. Thanks for watching.